So there's actually a lot of birds out there right now. But in the back there is a new guy, brown. He's kind of blending in with the black background right there. He just hopped next to the starling. But that is a new bird for me. A brown thrasher, I think. I think that's what the book said. There's another starling at the seed cake. But always fun to have the new birds visiting. But yes, a brown thrasher. He may have left while I was verifying. Oh no, he might still be back there. Just kind of behind the original feeder. So, obviously the cardinal, and then the starling, and then the brown thrasher. All down there. I think that's just a juvenile cardinal, but it could be a female brown-headed cowbird. I need to check a little closer. That, I believe, is a chipping sparrow up at the tube feeder. It's one of the interesting things about cardinals is the young have black beaks, unlike the bright orange of the adults, but I don't think that is. Huh. We might have even another new bird down there, but I don't know what it is. Oh, he flew away, naturally. But the brown thrasher is still down there, just in case you didn't get a good look at him. And my bandit was back last night. Need to figure out who's doing it and how they're doing it.